So cantilever beam problem. A cantilever with a flexural rigidity beam with a flexural rigidity of 200 Newton meter square is loaded as shown in figure. The deflection in mm at the tip of the beam is, what is the deflection at the tip of the beam? So total length of the beam is L. Okay, this is distance is A at the load, so remaining length distance is L minus A. Okay, after this, so deflection y equal to deflection at load plus slope into distance. Here on shortcut, the cantilever beam and distributed load uniformly varying load. So your 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Okay, so WL square by EA is common. Multiply with this one, can get the slope. Okay, point B. So answer is WL square by DI. So multiply with this one, W L cubed by 6EI. So multiply with this one, W L cubed by 24EI. Okay, so deflection means 2 by 3 into L into theta. Here 3 by 4 L into theta. Here 4 by 5 L into theta. Okay, so 1 by 4. So deflection at load means, so 2 by WL squared by 2A into 2 by 3 L into theta. Okay, so multiply this one, W A cubed by 3I plus W A square divided by 2EI into L minus A. Okay, so deflection at load point is WL A cubed by 3I at the plus slope into distance W A square divided by 2EI into L minus A. Okay, so W is 500 into A is 50 into 10 power minus 3 cube divided by 3 into EI is 200. So flexural rigidity is means EI 200 plus 500 into 50 into 10 minus 3 whole square into 50 into 10 by minus 3 divided by 2 into 200. Here common term is 500 into 50 into 10 power minus 3 per cube divided by 200. Remaining is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So answer of this one is 312.5 into 10 power minus 6 into pi by 6. So answer is 0.2604 m. So answer is D1. Okay, 0.2604 mm. Okay, thank you.